The Faculty of the College of Agricultural Sciences and Technology. Dr. Cynthia S. Alves, Doctor of Philosophy in Horticulture, is currently the Dean of College of Agriculture, Forestry and Fisheries. Dr. Douglas M. Deluriel, Doctor of Philosophy in Animal Science and the Program Coordinator. Ms. Hazel A. Ripoilo, pursuing Masters of Science in Crop Science. Ms. Zarina Gail D. Zambalod, Master of Science in Animal Science, major in Non-Ruminant Nutrition. Professor Jesril B. Paulete, pursuing Doctor of Philosophy in Horticulture.
Professor Bibita Ubay, Master of Science in Crop Science.
Professor Luz Viminda M. Panis, Master of Science in Education. Ms. Mylene Jean I. Suelo, pursuing Master of Science in Soil Science. Ms. Demiefe V. Bagalay, pursuing Master of Science in Biology. Ms. Nestle Aramuray, pursuing Master of Arts in Teaching Physics. Mr. Gerson U. Aniver, pursuing Master of Science in Animal Science. Ms. Junsan Princess Hope Z. Sinubin, pursuing Master of Science in Soil Science. Mr. Joniel G. Fraico, pursuing Master of Science in Plant Pathology. Ms. Melanie C. Lisayan, pursuing Master of Science in Agronomy. Mr. Ronaldo M. Paderes, pursuing Masters in Teaching Social Science. Ms. Cherry May A. Jenson, pursuing Masters in Teaching Home Economics. Engineer Byron M. Atiga, pursuing Master in Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering. Ms. Feby S. Ihada is a graduate of Bachelor in Physical and Health Education. Ms. Nikki R. Amuray is a graduate of Bachelor of Science in Agricultural and Biosystems Engineering. Ms. Cheska Gel T. Cabarliza is a graduate of Bachelor in English Education. Jessa J. Calipis is a graduate of Bachelor in Secondary Education, major in Biological Science. And the part-time faculty members, Mr. Debbie John G. Amulata, Master of Arts in Guidance and Counseling. Mr. Jeriel U. Ripoilo, pursuing Master of Science in Crop Science.